We're declaring this tonight. Spirit. Take me down.